is coming to you on another AMC video. Before I forget, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, and this is for entertainment purposes only. If you definitely like the video, definitely click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe. It will help out the search engine optimization and help out getting this message to other apes or other investors as well. So today we had all been waiting for the Fed, and that was basically a biggest thing on today. We had so much momentum and so much building on scare onto the Fed, what this meeting was going to be. We have not, we don't know what's going to happen onto the Fed, but we had got the news that the Fed is not going to raise up the interest rates as of right now, but they will be looking at it next year in 2022. So they are talking about not tapering off onto buying bonds. That to me is a little bit concerning because I'm a little bit worried about that onto being in the AMC movement, and I will explain that to you later on in this video. But we see onto this the movement after Powell had talked about this and Powell had explained this. The market just shot up. Everyone was waiting, and the market just moved right up, and we have seen a reverse into the S&P 500. And I bring up the S&P 500 because that's the biggest one. It has 500 of the markets here, and we see that it has shot up. We have gotten that reverse, and now we are back into the bulls. The bulls have gotten this range. For AMC, AMC has gotten still a lot of buys into Fidelity. Fidelity has gotten tons of buys, and it's still on this second. I think I cut this off. This is for me. So we have the second. Let me slide it over. There it is. It's on the fourth one. Wow, I can't even say it. The fourth highest buying into Fidelity. That is awesome. I was going to show you, and I went away. We are on 20% shorted. So, and that was a 20% shorted. Very crazy, and that was from the mask investor. Was looking at his charts. He was showing that, and that was right here. There he is. From the mask investor, and great person to listen to as well. He posted this on Twitter. 20.7%. That is crazy. They are still loading up on more shorts. They are still shorting it more and more. There's rumors that it is 25%. Right now, we don't really know. The market has hidden shorts, and I don't know why they're hiding the shorts so much and hiding all this information in the background. That to me is a scary situation, and that's the reason why we're in this movement in one way. Let's look at the day today at the 5-minute chart. We had a strong signal on right here at the $23. I tweeted and I said it looks like we're going to hit at a $22.90, and I was a little bit off, $22.50, and then I said we're going to probably go up to $25, and well, we did break that method. We did break that high. We see it right here, boom, and it shot up, and it looks like it liked that, and it consolidated a little bit here. Not much of a consolidation. Really can't count that as a consolidation, honestly. And at the end of the day, it looked like it was going into the downtrend. The downtrend on that part. Now tomorrow, what are we expecting? And let's look at the daily candles on that. And the daily candle even looks even better. Why I say that? We are at still a -4 candle, but to me, this was almost like a, a hammer nail onto the chart. We are almost at the hammer nail on there. But tomorrow, this needs to come down a little bit more, and then we need to get above the $25. I would say $26. If we get above $26, that is going to have a strong signal that we are in a upper trend onto AMC. It looks like we're almost at the end of the downtrend. The money flow is moving up. That is a great sign. The money flow is moving up, meaning more money is coming into AMC. There's more cash coming back into AMC, and we have seen it very much in the bottom for our last couple days, and it's still not in a very high money flow movement. What I'm predicting and why I would like to see us going above the $27. Once we reach the $27 onto AMC, I could see us on the upper trend definitely, and we're getting into popping back into this bottom low resistance. So that said, we might have to break the $27, but once we break the $27, our next resistance level is going to be at the $40 range. We'll see another resistance at that range of $40. So then the next range out of the $40 range, well, that was where we're having difficulties at too. Was zoom out. Let's see what we have here. We were having a lot of difficulty, and we were getting the $40, and I thought we had right up here. It was the 52, but let's just go back to here. I'm just rambling on here. And that is, we need to get over 27. Once we get over the 27, we will have to get over the 31, 32. So there was resistance right here at the 32. We had a bottom right here at the 32. So that will be our next resistance onto the 32. There was a lot of investors talking about the 32. We could end up right there at the end of the week. That would be awesome. Let's go back up. I already showed you that. Oh, that's where I put it at. That's. I'm glad you guys take this whole thing for serious. And unusual whales. Let's look at the unusual whales timing and see how many calls have bought today and how many puts were bought today. And let's see what we are at. What we are at is 52% at a call area. We have a 45% into the put area. So we're definitely putting more money into AMC onto the bulls. And the bulls have been putting a lot more money into us. So that is a great sign and a great system to see when we have that. And the other thing too, I know there's another investor, he's talking about this, how we have the money onto the calls coming in, and the puts right now are pushing us down. But once we get to this deleveraging onto AMC, I think that's what's probably going to happen is they're going to be selling those puts, and then when they sell those puts, we're going to see AMC starting to move up, because when they start selling the puts, well, then they start selling those shorts because of the puts are getting recalled. So that said, it looks very great on today, and I'm hoping we will move on the upper trend tomorrow. and we can close this week at a $32. Again, any comments, definitely put down comments on that you're buying. Let's go AMC. And I like to see all that stuff. And so that said, peace out.